Hey everybody, it's me Megs and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this style and update you guys on like my clarifying wash day routine. And here I am. I have my hair stretched out, detangled. I did wear my hair in the stretched out state, so that's why you don't really see too many curls. So I did detangle and put my hair in sections because I'm going to pre-poo. And I like to pre-poo my hair when I know I'm going to be clarifying, and I use an oil blend. In the description, I have a video on how I make this oil blend, and I make sure I use kind of like an applicator bottle because it makes everything so much easier. So within the sections, I like to spray my hair with lavender water and glycerin. I get this from iHerb, so the link is down in the description. So I spray the section just so it'll be nice and damp, and I really like using this type of water because it just adds a little extra something to my hair besides just using regular water. So what I do is I apply the oil to my scalp first, and the nozzle makes it really easy to do that. And I massage my scalp, and this helps stimulate growth, promotes excuse me, a healthy scalp, and it makes your scalp feel great. And then of course I put about like a quarter size and run it through the entire section of my hair just to coat the hair. It makes my hair feel really soft after I let it sit on for a little bit. And of course, apply more oil to the ends of my hair because I notice as my hair gets longer, my ends are super dry and fragile. So that is something that I'm making sure I keep an eye out as my hair gets longer. So once that's applied, I just twist my hair up and move on to the next section and repeat the same exact thing. So y'all, my hair is growing and I'm really excited about it. Really excited. As you can see, I have some length, but my hair is stretched out, so that's the only way I'm able to see how much length I got. So moving on, I do apply this to my edges and make sure I do a nice gentle scalp massage to my edges and within the whole section. So that is complete. I did all of the sections with the oil blend, and that video is down in the description below. And I do cover my hair with a plastic cap, and I sit underneath a hooded dryer for about 15 minutes, and I just do other things around the house, or sometimes I sleep with this overnight. So time to shampoo. I did wet my hair, and I like to clarify using the SheaMoisture Jamaican black castor oil clarifying shampoo. It's really nice and gentle. I've been using this shampoo to clarify since before I big chop, so this is going on like over 3 years, close to 4 years, I think 3 years. So I do a shampoo with that first, and then I follow up with Camille Rose shampoo, and I did add lemongrass oil to this, and I really love how that makes my hair feel, and it smells amazing too. So adding lemongrass just does wonders. So I do my hair in sections, right? So as I get done with the shampoo, rinse it out, I apply conditioner to my hair. And I apply my conditioner to each section because it just, does something extra for my hair as I work on the sections. So I apply the conditioner to the section and then apply grapeseed oil on top, twist it up, and then work on my other sections, repeating the same steps. So shampoo twice, then rinse, apply conditioner, and then apply grapeseed oil on top, twist it up, and move on. So here you can see I'm doing the same step over again. Shampoo using the SheaMoisture, and then I'm conditioning now. This conditioner feels really good. It's the Alterna Caviar moisture conditioner. Everything that I use in this video is down in the description below. And y'all, when I tell you my hair feels amazing, it's so soft and has so much slip. I know my routine isn't going to be for everybody because it might seem a bit much, but definitely do what works for you. So once I've done all that, my hair is rinsed out, and I just twist it back up and rinse everything else out. Time to deep condition. I'm using the Camille Rose conditioner, and I love this stuff. It's the coconut water. It's from the coconut water line, and this stuff feels amazing. This is the conditioner I used in my deep conditioning chat video, and y'all, I really like this. This is a staple of mine. Even though it was my first time using it, I really like how it made my hair feel really nice and moisturized. So I apply the conditioner in sections and make sure I get inside the section. So that's why I split the sections up, make sure I get from, root to end, because as you can see, like when you open your section up, you need to make sure you get the conditioner right there too. So of course I twist it up, add some more to my edges because edges are important and you want to make sure those are nice and strong and, breakage free. And I do put some on my nape, a little extra. And of course, cover it with a plastic cap. And I sit underneath the dryer for about 15 minutes. And sometimes I sleep with the conditioner overnight. It just depends what I feel like doing. So I rinsed the conditioner out and I proceeded to moisturize my hair. But of course, in working in sections, sometimes your section get a little dry. So I applied some water. Then I'm going to go and use my holy grail, which is the Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner. I like this cream leave-in conditioner. I've been using it since before I big chopped and I like it. I've been using it since I was relaxed and I like it. So I like it. So I apply this in sections and then of course detangle my hair from the bottom up using my rake comb. And then I'm going to go ahead and moisturize. Sometimes I switch up the order of my moisturizer. So today I did leave-in, today I'm doing moisture, and then I'm a seal on top. So I use the Camille Rose Moisture Milk moisturizer, and I really like this stuff. I've been using this for a really long time too, and it just does my hair good. And I really love this Shine Balm. It kind of reminds me of like shea butter. It's a solid, and then once you work it in your hands, it goes to like a liquid, and it has so many good ingredients in this product. There's castor oil in here, biotin, just all the good stuff. And I'll have a description on what the products are that I use will be down in the description. So I really like to seal with this, y'all. It makes my hair feel so good. So I put that on top of everything, and then I just twist everything up because all I do is twist outs. And it just makes my life easier because I know it's going to look good. So I let my hair air dry overnight normally, and the next day it'll be like really nice and juicy. So as you can see, my hair has dried and has a really nice shine to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and unravel these. I'm gonna unravel them, and as you can see, it's not really like a super defined twist out or like a just I'm purposely trying to do a twist out, but I like to do like the bigger twist just to add some texture to my hair for when I style it in my high ponytails that I really like doing. This is how I wear my hair majority of the time. So once I unravel the twist, I use my fingers to put my hair up into a high ponytail. I don't use combs really. Whenever I'm styling my hair, I just use my fingers to gently, maneuver through my hair for a low manipulation style. So I do that, make sure there aren't any parts showing, and I use an ouchless band to just kind of like wrap my hair around like so. And then just fluff out and pick out some of the pieces because of course my hair is a little bit shrunken up, so you want to make your puff appear a little bit bigger. So I am going to spray just a little bit more of the lavender water and glycerin before I apply the Vonte Edge Effects edge control, and this just helps like get a better result with more sleekness when it comes to my edges. So as you can see, it just glides on. So I applied it first directly to my edges and just use this mini brush. I got this brush from my local beauty supply store. And then once that's brushed in, I'm just gonna tie a scarf around my head, let that sit for at least 10 minutes. You can't do anything less than 10 minutes when it comes to the edges. The longer the better. So I'm going to take this pick and just fluff out my hair just a little bit, not too much, because I don't want to lose too much of the texture, because I still kind of like want that messy textured look. And voila, you know, my edges are laid down. I might have took a little bit of my makeup off around my edges, but that's okay. But I'm gonna loosen up my edges because I like my edges to have more of that wispy look. I don't like that super like edge control look. I don't know if I'm making any sense, but I like that really soft look with my edges, as you can see, which I did there. Really soft and wispy. And this is pretty much the final look. This is how I wear my hair all the time. I don't really have too many styles that I do. I like doing this style because it's easy and I know it's always gonna look good for whatever occasion, day or night. So, as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and all products that I use are down in the description below. And feel free to check out these videos here about my natural hair journey, and I'll see you guys later.